Hi everybody, this is Martin Guaglione from eXp Realty, and I'm a realtor here in Las Vegas. Today I wanted to show you what's going on in Southwest Las Vegas. There's a big intersection with so much activity. I want to talk to you about it. It's 215, the Highway 215 in Durango, and it's near Rhodes Ranch, a really well-known popular golf course and housing community in Southwest. There's so many other housing areas in this Southwest area. Rainbow Avenue has all kinds of restaurants, including a lot of great Asian restaurants. So let's talk about this corner. I've done another video on the Station Casino. I'm going to build a Durango Casino right at this corner. That's a huge story. It's going to be 1,000 rooms. It'll be in 2022 or 22-23. So let me show you what else is going on. So this is it. If you look at the map, this is Vegas. Directly to the right, you'll see the airport, which is barely 20-minute drive away. Just north of the airport is the Strip. So we're talking directly west of the Strip and the airport, and before you get to Summerlin, which is farther away up in the west area. So if you look at this corner, it's really amazing. In just this four corners of this one area, what's going on. And this is an example of what's going on in Southwest. And of course, the people in Rhodes Ranch and the community here in Southwest are excited. So the casino is going to be built. I did a video on it already. The Station Casino, the Durango Casino. So now let's talk about what else is going on there. As you see, there's an IKEA that's already here. It's been here for a while. It's the only IKEA in Las Vegas, and it's a well-known landmark. And then right across from that is going to be something called the Bend. It's going to be a commercial, kind of like a downtown Summerlin walkable outside shopping mall with high-end stores, movie theaters. Here's a mock-up of what that's going to look like. Just artist example. Very modern. It's going to be really nice, and it's a huge part of the north there. Across, I'll show you the newspaper headline, which just kind of makes me laugh, is the fitness chain pays $14 million for giant hole in Southwest Las Vegas. Well, that is true. The fitness chain from Dublin, Ireland, bought this. It's called Lifetime Fitness, and Lifetime Fitness is going to build right across where I just mentioned. Look at how big that area is. It's basically the size of IKEA, but it's going to be a fitness center. And then diagonally to that is something called the Uncommons. The Uncommons is really interesting because it's kind of a futuristic design of a community, where the idea is you can work there and you can live there. You can go to restaurants, you can go to work, and you can go home in a condominium or a townhouse right next door. So you don't need to drive your car. That's the whole idea. It's energy efficient, it's futuristic. You live where you work where you live. So that looks like this. And you can see how modern it is. Look at that, the quad, the office terrace, residential, streetscape. It's going to have the Lotus of Siam restaurant, top-rated Thai restaurant here. It's going to have a famous coffee shop that's well-known in Los Angeles. Anyway, it's going to have a lot of high-end type stores. So this is all we have in the casino right now, and that's it. So what are you going to see? The Uncommons is being built right now. If you come with me, I'll show you. It's being built. It's not just dirt, and it'll be done within a year and a half, probably a year. The Bend is still dirt, and they're starting to move dirt around, but I think it'll take a little longer. The casino is supposed to be done by 2023. And of course, IKEA is already there, and the fitness center we'll see is next. So it's really exciting. Southwest Las Vegas is booming. You can tell by the market. Like I said, I'm a realtor, and come and see. Be happy to take you around. Thank you. This is Martin. Bye.